Oh, Henry. He was playing with the pen, and here you are. There's the flip. I hope he picks it up with his hands and rears back. Oh, it's so cute. You show that, man. Yeah. Yep, there he goes. He's taking it to the door. No matter what, he always takes it, usually much faster, to the door, and then kicks it underneath. The rock is his second favorite toy. Oh, there it goes. It's gone. Oh, no, it's still there, but you can't see.